Hi guys, I'm not sure are you able to hear me, but we're just boarding a plane going to Crete Heraklion. Can we be there? I'll give you an update once we're out there, but probably can't hear it. Alright, just boarded the flight now. And the flight duration is about 1 hour 35 minutes, so you know. I'll check up once we land. But yeah, it's a short flight and it should be there soon.
Passengers, good day from flight deck. This first officer Vladimir speaking. I'd just like to share some information about our flight today. Today we flew 37,000 feet, which is 11,800 meters above mean sea level. We have a speed of 820 kilometers per hour. After takeoff, we flew over Serbia, Macedonia, then the northern part of Greece, over Thessaloniki. We entered the Aegean Sea, and down the coast of Halkidiki we continued towards our destination. We started our descent and we expect to land at 5:50 local time. Weather conditions in Heraklion, 32 degrees and a moderate northwesterly wind. And just in a minute to our left side you will be able to see island of Santorini.
Alright, we started descending to Crete. Really luxe actually, pretty smooth. About an hour and a half, 2 hours maybe. But yeah, no turbulence or anything. It was really well. But it's really smooth. And in next 50 minutes we should be start on descending now. So yeah, I'll try to shoot some fish and
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Crete, where the local time is 20 minutes approaching 7. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain switches off the fasten seatbelt sign. Only after open the overhead compartments carefully and check the pockets in front of you for any personal belongings you may have brought with you. Thank you for complying with non-smoking policy, and let us remind you that smoking is allowed only in designated smoking area. Captain Ilya Talakovic and the rest of the crew would like to thank you for flying with Wizz Air. We hope you have enjoyed this flight.
Alright guys, we just arrived to Crete. We don't need bags, so we just have carry-ons. We travel light this time, so we can just get out of the airport straight away. The flight was pretty relaxed and pretty smooth. It took like an hour and a half, maximum 2 hours, something like that. But yeah, it was no turbulence or anything. Flying over Aegean Sea, which was quite nice. And yeah, that's it. Now we're just going back to catch some public transport or taxi or something, shuttle, whatever. We're just gonna see what are the options once we get out of the luggage area. And yeah, I guess I'll check next time once we arrive to hotel. See you there. Alright guys, so we decided to take a public bus. Taxi cost is about 30 euros. Public bus is about 3 or 4 euros per person, something like that. So it's way much cheaper, and Hersonissos is the place where we're going to. It's only about let's say they say by taxi like 15-20 minutes, by public bus maybe 30-40 minutes, which is fine. We have plenty of time, we are not in rush. And yeah, that would be it. Once we arrive to the hotel, I will let you know. Alright guys, we took public transport again. We were waiting maybe 20 minutes or so, a little longer. But yeah, the public bus to Hersonissos where we're going is 3.3 euros 10 cents. So it's not that bad at all, it's pretty cheap. The bus is pretty comfy, it's like an intercity bus, it's like pretty chill. And the duration of the drive is about 30-40 minutes, I think. They said we should get off bus stop 22, so hopefully we will be able to get on the right one so we don't miss it. I'm sorry about the sun, but the sun is playing. Yeah, I'll film you a bit of the way to the Hersonissos, and yeah, I'll get back to you from the two. Alright, we just arrived to our hotel. It's pretty basic. As soon as you walk in, these are the doors. On the left hand side you have a small bathroom, like shower, toilet seat, nothing major. And here on the right hand side we have a compartment for clothing. So can you see anything? Yeah, there's quite a lot of hangers for a hotel, to be honest. And there is also mini safe there. And yeah, this is the room. 2 beds, mini fridge. We have TV as well. Little table or chair, seat, whatever. And we also have a balcony. This is my mom, say hi. So the balcony is quite nice. This is the view from the room. We are staying on the first floor. But yeah, the view is to the mountains. But I think it's a good thing because the other side of the hotel is looking straight into the main street. So I'm assuming it's going to be pretty crowded during the nighttime. And pretty loud during the night time as well. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Nothing really major. It's a pretty basic hotel stay, but the prices are also really cheap. I don't know, can you turn this to my side? Okay, yeah. So yeah, nothing really major here. The hotel stay is pretty cheap. We do have aircon, we do have TV here, but this is what you get for the price that you pay, obviously. This hotel stay for 11 nights, it's 280 euros, something approximately like that. That's what we paid. So 280 euros for 11 nights for 2 persons, which is pretty awesome. And yeah, that's about it. I'm just gonna change probably quickly, and then we'll probably head off out to buy some coffee and some food, and maybe explore the city. And yeah, that's it. I'll chat to you later. Alright guys, we left our hotel just for afternoon, well, evening walk. We just did some grocery shoppings to have some like drinks and some snacks for the room. And we bought gyros pita, of course, which is a must once you're in Greece. We took a takeaway to eat in the room, but yeah, for the first night, I can tell you we're a bit tired. Last night I went to bed like, I don't know, it was time like 3, 4 in the morning. Then I got up this morning, this around 10 a.m. And then all this craziness with packing and everything. And now it's like, it's not even that late, it's like 11:30, something like that. And my first impression of Hersonissos, the city is quite nice. I mean, it's okay, but the only thing that I noticed is like it's not crowded at all. I don't know, maybe it's because it's still end of June. Maybe it's not the season yet, but I feel like it's supposed to be. So I think it's due to COVID. And one thing regards COVID, since 24th of June, there is no need to wear masks once you are outside, only in the indoor spaces. However, I didn't really notice many people wearing it at all. So even in indoor spaces, nothing really wears them anymore. So that's a good thing. It's almost like back to normal. We didn't have time to go to see the beach yet. Obviously it got dark by the time we got here. But yeah, maybe after I drop the stuff, maybe we'll take a walk down to the beach. Or maybe just leave it for tomorrow. Let's see how tired we are after we get back to our room. Yeah, and Hersonissos is pretty long street. Like our hotel is on the main street, but the street is pretty long. We've been walking for like 10-15 minutes and still we're not by the end. So it's quite a big city, to be honest. But yeah, that's about it. And yeah, we're slowly going back to our hotel. And I guess I'll check out one more time from there.